Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Oanda. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Oanda is a Canadian Forex broker and market maker that was founded in 1996 and is regulated by several entities across multiple jurisdictions. As an Oanda client, you will have access to plenty of educational resources with guaranteed tight spreads and transparent prices. Oanda offers 2 award-winning proprietary platforms for trading and for APIs, and a variety of innovative trading tools for charting, research and analysis, news updates, and more is provided. We recommend this broker to all types of traders, and no minimum deposit is required to activate a live trading account with Oanda. When you open the Oanda website, the first thing you will notice is a menu bar with an overview of Oanda's trading conditions, information about tools, analysis, platforms, markets, company information, and more. The homepage shares some key features of Oanda, and if you scroll all the way down, you will find a disclaimer with important information and lists of all the possible topics you might be interested in viewing on the website. If you would like to learn more about the trading instruments offered by Oanda, you can hover your cursor over the trading section of the menu bar and navigating to Forex and CFD trading. After you click on this item, you will be redirected to a page that will list some trading conditions and all the products offered by Oanda in more detail. Oanda offers a variety of tradable market instruments for you to choose from, such as Forex, indices, metals, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Oanda's wide selection of CFD products include a stock index, bond, and commodity CFDs. The leverage can also be set manually, which is a useful feature to lower the risk of a trade. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as Oanda's FX Trade proprietary platform. The MetaTrader 4 platform is the most popular trading platform used in the trading community for a variety of reasons, such as the platform allows for flexible trading with numerous trading strategies, the provision for both instant and market executions. You can perform technical analysis through a variety of tools, such as 23 different analytical objects, along with 30 built-in indicators. The MetaTrader 5 platform is the upgrade from MetaTrader 4, and it provides traders with a variety of features in addition to what MetaTrader offers, including a meta editor, MetaQuotes Language 5, a hedging system, additional charts and timeframes, provision made for fundamental analysis, 38 built-in indicators along with 22 analytical tools, 46 geographical objects, and more. Both platforms allow for one-click trading, the use of powerful plugins, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. It also features the MetaTrader Web Trader, which allows you to trade directly from your browser. Oanda's FX Trade platform is powered by TradingView and supports web trading, desktop trading, and mobile trading applications. The web-based and desktop versions of FX Trade are identical, making swapping between both accounts easy. Additionally, other platforms available from third-party developers within Oanda's marketplace include the Seer trading platform, which supports algorithmic trading system development, and multiple charting platforms such as NinjaTrader, Multicharts, and Motive Wave. Oanda offers 2 types of trading accounts, namely the standard account and the core account, as well as a demo account and a swap-free account. Spreads on the standard account start from 1 pip, and it is a commission-free trading account. This account can be funded using US dollars, euros, Hong Kong dollars, or Singapore dollars, and is suitable for all types of traders, including beginners. The core account charges commission fees, but the spreads are much tighter, starting at 0.2 pips, and it can be funded with the same currencies from the standard account. For clients of the Muslim faith, Oanda offers a zero commission account with spreads starting at 1.6 pips. It supports 29 tradable instruments and multi-strategy support. And the demo account can be used to trade in a risk-free environment. And this is a great way to test out new trading strategies, new platforms, and tools. Opening an account with Oanda is simple and easy. Firstly, click on the Create Account tab for traders who wish to open a live trading account. For traders who would like to open a demo account, click on Demo Account. Select your country from the given list below, and then click on the Confirm and Continue tab. Fill out the required personal information, and once you have filled out your personal information, you can choose your trading platform and begin trading. Traders who are opening a live account should keep in mind that they may need to be patient for several days before the account approval is completed, especially if verification documents have been sent via email. Once you have finished filling in your personal details, you will be able to choose your trading platform. And once your account has been set up, you will then need to deposit funds and begin trading. Choose your preferred platform from the Oanda personal area. We decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 platform. For users who have signed up with a demo account, you can find your login credentials via email. Submit your login information, and then you can log in to your preferred platform. And we're in. This is MetaTrader 4 on Oanda. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your market watch and navigator, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools. If you would like to learn more about MetaTrader functionality or guides on Oanda's proprietary FX trade platform, you can visit their educational section, which provides video and written guides on platform functionality to help you get started. With regards to Oanda's educational resources, you can find plenty of guides on the basics of Forex trading and CFD trading, tutorials and tips on using trading tools and strategies, guidelines on capital and risk management, as well as a variety of other trading topics. There is also a special classroom for beginners, as well as webinars and events that Oanda clients can sign up to. Oanda also offers a wide range of research tools, such as news and technical analysis. The Market Pulse panel offers analysis written by Oanda's own research team, and includes an economic calendar. Written trading articles are also provided, as well as a feed by Dow Jones Newswires provides information and news. Economic analysis is also available and overlaps with Market Pulse. Oanda Labs offers tools developed by their own engineers and is based on technical analysis. Research tools are available in multiple languages. Oanda has charting tools that are very responsive, easy to edit, and offers the use of more than 70 technical indicators. Oanda has great API options, and you can use your own APIs in a user-friendly environment. Over the last 20 years in operation, Oanda has earned a variety of awards. Some of their more recent awards include the Most Popular Broker and the Best Forex and CFD Broker of 2020, as voted by TradingView clients. The Best FX Data Provider in North America by Global Brand Awards of 2020. The Most Outstanding Retail Sector Forex Trading Platform by Corporate Vision Magazine's 2020 Corporate Excellence Awards. The Best CFD Broker Asia Pacific of 2019 by the Global Banking and Finance Review Awards, and many more. Overall, Oanda is a great option if you're interested in API and EA trading, or would like to try Oanda's proprietary platforms and test out their tools and features. This broker is also suitable for beginners and clients who want to use swap-free accounts. and all clients benefit from a wide range of intuitive trading tools, educational resources, and competitive trading conditions. Getting started with Oanda is easy because no minimum deposit is required, and you can fund your account using several different currencies. Traders can, with confidence, try out trading with Oanda, since the company is regulated by top-tier regulators. There is no minimum deposit, and its inactivity fee only kicks in after 2 years. Oanda has received dozens of awards over the last 2 decades, and we recommend this broker for any type of trading. And that is our overview of Oanda. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.